Software Center, what is it? Well, we're going to find out. It is another self-help. Type in software, soft W, until the Software Center populates. And what you have here is software that's available for you to install on whichever computer in your room you need it on. They have shied away from stop doing a push where all computers get the same exact things. And so what you see here would be software that you could install on your device if you wanted to. You do not need admin rights, no IT rights to do it. So what happens sometimes is there will be an update overnight. You'll come in the morning and your Chrome is missing and you need it. That's your browser, that's what you like to use. You would just find it here in the Software Center and click on it, and it would say install because it was uninstalled during a reboot and just didn't come back. You would hit install, it will just install it right back for you. And anything that's here is a self-help. You can just click it and add it in, right? You're missing the icon to the service desk for some reason. Click on it, get it back. It is what it is. Everything's here that you can push if you'd like to. If you see something that you want and you know it's approved, you can put in a help desk ticket. They can install it for you, or they might add it here to the self-help menu. If you're not sure where the approved software lives, let me bring this in. If you go to any Dodea website and go to audiences and go to employees, right? So we're going to go to employee resources, and I am just scrolling. This was not on my list of things I was going to talk about, so hang on. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, there we go. Approved software and cloud list. We click on that. We are on the Dodea intranet now. We will see the software, ASL is the approved software. And click on that, and this big old long PDF are software titles that we are allowed to use for specific reasons. More details are there. And then cloud list, these are sites that we are allowed to use that store data in the cloud, right? So like our Google Apps, and we can use these things because of the way that data is stored. We're not putting students' names. We're using that 4x4 naming convention. So these sites are approved. It doesn't mean that if it's not listed here, it's not approved. It's just that these have specific approval. Keep in mind, if you're using any site out there that asks for student logins and needs student names of any kind, you cannot put first name, last name. It can't have any of that identifying information. You are always playing it safe if you use that 4x4 naming convention of first initial of first name, first 3 initials of last name, last 4 of their Aspen ID. Again, if you need help and you don't see something in the Software Center that you want, help desk ticket, and they will either give it to you or they won't. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.